The reason that you're getting the humming and hissing and static noise from your FM transmitter like this, it's because the FM transmitter that plug into a car like this, okay, the power source and the car stereo share the same power source. So when that happens, and then also when you plug this, because it needs power, the emitters, it's also the radio frequency emitters, it's also inside of this. So when you power this, the power interfere with the signal that it sends out. That's why, and that's why you ended up all the interferences and static noises. So the way to fix this is you have to find an FM transmitter that use a different power source. So what you can do is you can get an FM transmitter like this from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Gizmo Guy Gadget, the reason that Gizmo Guy Gadget sounds way better than all the other ones, because you can see that number one, the power source is from USB. And the transmitter is far away from the power source. So that way you eliminate the interferences and the noises. And to get better sound, what you can do is you can either plug this into the car, but for best sound quality, what you want to do is actually use a power bank instead. So instead of plugging into your car like this, if you don't like the way it looks, or if your power source, your socket does not work, what you can do is use a power bank. Get a power bank like this. This is a small external battery. Okay, you can get this for less than $10 from Amazon or anywhere. All you have to do is just make sure the battery charged, and then you plug it in, and then you turn it on. Okay, so this way that your FM transmitter it's independent from your car. So you'll get best sound quality because you won't be interfering with one another. All you have to do is pair your phone to this Bluetooth device, or the Gizmo Guy Gadget, and then you will send out the signals that your car can pick up. So you get best sound quality that way. Okay? This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you how you can use the power bank to power up the FM transmitter and eliminate all the noises. Okay, thank you.